Welcome back to Panda AI 10 people. 2 weeks, 1 goal. And somehow, everything still goes wrong. Welcome to the reality show of project management. Welcome to Scrum. It's simple, it's fast, and it's chaotic. Let's break it down. Scrum is simple. At Panda AI, we say it's just a cycle of common sense. You plan the work you want to do and then you build it. Simple, right? Then you check if it actually works and you improve for the next time. And you repeat this again and again, every 2 weeks, every single time. Scrum is not about perfection. At Panda AI, we define it as the art of learning faster, because the team that learns the fastest is the one that wins the game. Now, let's look at the 3 core pillars of Scrum. Without these, the whole thing falls apart. First, transparency. Everyone on the team sees the same truth. No hiding, no secrets. Second, inspection. We check our progress regularly to make sure we're still on track. And third, adaptation. We adjust quickly when things change. And trust me, they will change. So remember, see clearly, check often, and fix fast. That's the pillar mindset. Now let's talk about the heart of Scrum, the sprint. This is where the magic happens. A sprint is a fixed time period. It does not extend. It does not wait for you. Every sprint must have a clear goal. What are we trying to achieve in these 2 weeks? If the work is not finished, too bad. The sprint still ends. No extensions allowed. In Scrum, time is fixed. It's the scope that adjusts. At Panda AI, we call this respecting the box. Time for the cast. There are 3 key roles in this reality show. Who's who? One person decides what to build. We call them the product owner. They own the vision. One group decides how to build it. These are the developers. They own the quality. And one person ensures the process works properly. The Scrum Master. They own the health of the team. Clear roles means no confusion. At Panda AI, we say stay in your lane and win the game. Think of it like a movie. You need a writer, you need actors, and you need a director. The PO writes the story, the developers act it out, and the Scrum Master directs the show. Lights, camera, action. Now, the 5 events. These are the beats of your 2-week show. Let's walk the line. Event 1, planning. We decide what we can do and exactly how we're going to do it. Event 2, the daily meeting. It's a 15-minute check-in, short, sharp, and focused. What did we do? What's next? And is anything blocking our goal? Keep it moving. This is not a status meeting for the boss. It is a planning check for the team. Big difference. Event 3, the review. We show off what we built and collect feedback from real people. Event 4, the retrospective. We reflect on how we worked together. Not what we built, but how we built it. What went well, and what can we improve for the next show? Be honest, it's the only way to grow. And Event 5, the sprint itself. It's the container for everything else. It's the show. Plan, check daily, show your results, and improve. Then repeat. That's the Scrum rhythm. Now, this is very important. At Panda AI, we call this the reality filter, the definition of done. If it is not tested, it is not done. If it does not work perfectly, it is not done, period. Done means one thing: it is ready for real use by a real customer. No half-baked features allowed. Here's a reality check. Most teams do the meetings, but they completely miss the mindset. Don't be that team. Scrum is not about doing meetings. It is about continuous improvement. It's about being better today than you were yesterday. Scrum doesn't magically make your team faster. At Panda AI, we say it makes your problems visible faster. And when you can see your problems, you can finally fix them. That's how you win the game. Follow Panda AI for simple, practical product management lessons that actually work. Because product management doesn't have to be complicated. See you in the next episode.